Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to create Facebook page using your Android phone or iPhone, and process is similar to PC version also. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. Don't worry, this is not a web version, this is Android emulator. I use this for your easy understanding and guidance. So follow my mouse pointer for your understanding. First, you have to log into your Facebook account. After login, you can see there is a profile icon in top right corner. In my case, it is a 3 lines. Just tap on it. Then you can scroll down a little bit and you can see there is a button called see more. Just tap on it and then scroll down again. Then you can see there is an option called pages. Just tap on it. Then you can see recently visited pages and liked pages, invites, kind of things. For this tutorial, we need to go to create button. Just tap on it. Then you can create your page. You just tap on get started. Then you have to give a name for your page. I like to give it as ByteBeat. After setting your page, just tap on next. And you can describe your page categories. This is the popular categories as an example. If you think your page is related to tech stuff, you just tap on tech, and you can see suggestion also available here. And I like to use information and technology company and some kind of things. Okay, I will leave it as this one also. You can choose multiple categories also. After choosing that, just tap on create. Now it is creating your page. Wait for create complete. You can see this is loading. Okay, now you have to finish your setting your page. You have to give a normal bio for your page. I will type it as this page is for technology. And you can give a contact information for your page. You can give your website or email and phone number, and you can give your location, city, towns, and zip code also. And you can give your available hours, and you can choose no hours available or always open and the standard hours. You can give this information and just tap on next. I will leave it as it is. Then after, you can customize your page. You can add your cover photo. Just tap on this little camera icon, and you can add your profile image. Just tap on this camera icon again, and I will leave this thing as it is and tap on next. Alright, now you can invite your friends to like your page. Just tap on next. Okay, there are two options turned on here. Stay informed about your page notification on your profile. Currently it is turned on, so you can get your page notifications and you can get your marketing and promotional emails. I will leave it as it is and just tap on done. Alright, now you will switch into your page now from your profile to your web page, profile Facebook page. Wait for switching. Alright, seems like it is completed now. It is loading. Alright, now you are in your Facebook page. You can just tap on your profile picture here. Okay, it will give you a small tour for your understanding about Facebook pages. Just tap on start tour. This is not necessary. Okay, next. Okay, next, and again next, and done. This is not a necessary step. This is related to my connection, so don't worry about that. Okay, alright. I like to just skip this. Skip. And skip. And you can follow some popular people in your Facebook. I'm not going to do that, so I just tap on skip. Okay, now your setup is completed. Just tap on profile icon again. It will open your profile. Okay, you can see this is how your page looks like. It is information technology company and currently not get any reviews. Name is Bytebit. No added cover page and profile pictures. So you can write a post about your page, and you can connect with your WhatsApp business account, and you can add action button. So okay, this is how you can create your pages for your Facebook. I hope you understand how to create your Facebook page using these steps, and thank you very much. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much. I will soon see you soon in next video.